Today I would like to show you how the scan receive function works in GoldFinch. Scan receive can be used by the warehouse staff to scan and receive inventory for a purchase order. On the mobile menu, select the Receive menu item. You should see a list of all open purchase orders. You can use an iPhone, iPad, or any Android device as your mobile scanning device. What you see on the left of the screen is just a mobile device simulator. Scan or select an open purchase order or click on the scan button next to the listed open purchase orders. You will see items show up in blocks with three possible colors: pink if nothing's received, yellow if it's partially received, and green if it's fully received. In each of the blocks you will see item number, item description, to bin, original quantity, remaining quantity, and received quantity. Enter or scan an item that is lot tracked. You can click on the lookup button to see all previously received lots. Enter or scan the new lot. Enter the quantity and click Save. You can double-click the item block to see lot numbers that were received. If you make a mistake, you can click Reset to undo and start again. Enter or scan an item that is not lot tracked. Enter the quantity and then click on Save. When all items have been received, the purchase order is ready to be posted. If you make a mistake, you can click on Actions, Reset All, to reset all received items for the purchase order and start over. Click Actions, and then Post. In GoldFinch, now you see that a warehouse receipt for the purchase order is posted and all ledger entries are created.